Hello everyone, this is Adrish and today we will learn that how to create AI generated videos for free, and you can generate unlimited AI generated videos by using these tips. So in this video I discuss about the total workflow that I follow to make unlimited AI generated videos, and I also share my problems which I face to create this type of videos, and share my own experience that how can I handle the problems and make a perfect AI generated video. So before starting the video, I want to share my video which I make by using this free AI tools.
Imagine controlling almost an entire nation's energy supply. Not today, but in an age when oil lit homes, powered factories, lubricated industrial machines, and eventually fueled the first automobiles. At its peak, one company refined nearly 90% of all American oil. 90%. In 1870, its founder built something revolutionary. Not just oil wells, but pipelines, refineries, storage facilities, distribution networks. One of history's first vertically integrated corporations. And as production became more efficient, the price of kerosene fell dramatically, bringing cheap energy to millions of ordinary Americans. Factories could run longer. Businesses could expand faster. The Industrial Revolution accelerated. By 1913, his fortune reached nearly $900 million, almost 2% of America's entire economy. In today's money, that would exceed $400 billion, more than any billionaire in modern history. His name was John D. Rockefeller, and his company, Standard Oil.
It was a video clip which I make by using these AI tools. So this is just a video clip, a short video clip. I make an entire video on this particular topic. Who now discuss that what is the process behind it, how can I make these videos, and what are the things that you should follow to make this type of videos. So without wasting any time, let's go and see how to make AI generated videos for free. I have divided the total workflow into 4 easy steps. The steps are super easy, and the website and apps which I use to make these videos, those are completely free and very user friendly. So let's start with step number 1. That is topic selection. For topic selection, you choose a topic which matches your interest. So please don't choose a random topic. Please try to give some solution on your video. So do some basic research on the particular topic, that what other creators do on their videos and what other creators miss on their videos. Please try to give those things that missing in their videos. That's for topic selection. Now we are talking about the second step, which is script generation. For script generation, you can simply use ChatGPT. Okay, because ChatGPT is more than sufficient for most of the videos. But if you have any topic which needs real-time data, then you can use Perplexity AI, because Perplexity AI is more updated than ChatGPT. Go on ChatGPT and tell it to make a proper script on the particular topic. Take some time to create the final script, because script is your foundation. So that's for script generation. After that, when the script generation is completed, then there is the third step, that is voiceover generation. For voiceover generation, you can simply use OpenAI FM, which is completely free, and there are several options by which you can choose the voice according to your topic and according to your niche. Okay, so just copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it on OpenAI FM. OpenAI FM is completely free, and you can generate unlimited voiceovers in the website. And after that, simply download it. That's for the voice generation part. Let's talk about the last step, that is image generation. For image generation, we use Meta AI, because Meta AI provides unlimited high quality image generation for free. So First copy the script from ChatGPT and then paste it on ChatGPT. Then tell it to make a proper prompt for image generation. Then it will create line by line prompt for image generation. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it on Meta AI. Then Meta AI create cinematic image according to your prompt. After that, just simply click on animate. It will animate the image as you want. Many times we notice that the animation which is generated by AI, that's not realistic. The movement of character, the movement of vehicles on the street is not synchronized and looks very unnatural. If you see that the animation is not realistic, then you simply click on edit animation, and in the description part you give the animation prompt which you want. Like if you want the camera should go from right to left, will it tell move the camera from left to right. That's it. One more thing, that if your topic includes a real person, a real historical person, then you can simply take a screenshot of the person from Google and give it to the Meta. You can give it to the Meta AI. If you do so, then Meta AI will create the exact animation of that person. It gives you the optimal result. So that's for the image generation purpose. After doing all these steps, you simply open a video editor like VN or InShot. Then simply give all these things like voiceover, images, videos, animated videos, all these things put into the video editor and simply make the whole video. So these are the steps that you should follow to make a AI generated video for free. And if this video helps you, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, then please tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.